Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve iPhone randomly restarts issue. Several fixes are shared here. Fix 1. Force reboot your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Finally press and hold the side button. Okay, the iPhone reboots. Fix to check analytics data. Tap on Settings. Go down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap on Analytics and Improvements. Click Analytics Data. Then you can tap a recent log to have a check. Fix 3. Use iTunes to restore iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes. Then hit the small phone icon. OK, click Restore iPhone. Decide backup or don't backup your iPhone settings. Hit the Restore button. iTunes is restoring the software on this iPhone. Fix for use powerful system recovery tool. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system recovery software, which solve all kinds of iOS system errors. You can download and install it on your computer. Okay, get iTunes installed at the same time. Now open iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Click the System Repair option. Hit the Standard mode. Click the Start button. Well, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer. OK, hit the Next button. See, your iPhone details are shown here. Hit the Download button to download the firmware package online. Minutes later, you can click the Repair button to fix the issue. When the software shows that the repair is successful, your iPhone reboots with the newest iOS version. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.